Friends, now this diagram shows us about the meiosis. Meiosis consists of two phases, meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. As you know that in meiosis, the cell divides two times. So this one is the interphase. First one interphase in which the condensation of chromatin and the centrosome take place. Next one is prophase 1. Student, in prophase, chromatin condenses and spindle fibers originate. This is the spindle fibers. Next is the prophase 1. Here the chiasmata formation take place and crossing over take place. Student, this is the difference. What is crossing over? Crossing over is the exchange of segments between the chromosome. Here the chromatids exchange their segment, and the difference between the parent and the daughter cell is due to the crossing over. Next is metaphase. Student, in metaphase, the formation of metaphase plate and the chromosomes line up at the equator in this pattern. Next is the anaphase. In anaphase, chiasmata break and chromosome pulled. This is the anaphase. Next is the telophase. In telophase, the complete separation of chromosome take place and the two daughter cells are produced. Here student, this is up till meiosis 1. This is same as that of mitosis except crossing over. Now here two daughter cells are produced. Now these two daughter cells divides again. Here this first division of the first daughter cell, and this is the division of the second daughter cell. This is meiosis 2. In meiosis 2, same as first of all prophase, then metaphase. In metaphase, same as that of previous one, that metaphase plate will be formed. In this is anaphase, separation of chromosomes take place. In telophase, the separation of chromosome, complete separation of chromosome, and daughter cell, 4 daughter cells are produced. You can see here that the 4 daughter cells are produced, and these daughter cells are haploid in number. Students, so you can now easily differ the mitosis and meiosis with the help of diagram.